What if you could generate high-quality AI videos with cinematic camera movement, consistent motion, and rich visual detail just by writing a short prompt? And what if the tool you used was more powerful and more affordable than any of the top names on the market? Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into Hailuo AI, a cutting-edge text-to-video model that's currently outperforming even giants like Google Veo and Kling. We'll explore how it works, test out some prompts, compare it head-to-head with other models, and even evaluate its cost efficiency. Whether you're into AI video creation, storytelling, or just curious how far generative models have come, this tutorial will show you what's possible, even without any prior video editing experience. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get started. Hailuo AI. Today, we are taking a closer look at Hailuo AI Video AI, one of the most advanced text-to-video models currently available. It's ranked number 2 on the Artificial Analysis Text-to-Video Arena leaderboard, outperforming even Google Veo 3 and Kling 2.0. On the official Hailuo AI website, the interface is smooth, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Let's go over some of the key technical features. The model boasts an 85% success rate on complex prompts, supports video generation up to 10 seconds at 768p and up to 6 seconds at 1080p. In the gallery, you'll find sample videos generated by the model. Each example includes detailed metadata, from file type and resolution to duration and the original prompt, and even a quality rating system. One of the coolest things I saw was someone bringing an old photo to life. It looks incredibly realistic. Now let's go ahead and create our own video using Hailuo's text-to-video generator. We're going to start with a simple prompt, no images, no extra hints, just plain text. In the Text-to-Video tab, we'll stick with Hailuo 2.0 and the 768p resolution. Then hit Create Video and let it process. Prompt engineering is key here. Writing a clear, detailed prompt is essential for a high-quality result. That's why this one includes cinematic camera movement, natural lighting, and a 4K quality reference. We've described what we want to see, from the main subject to visual style and technical specifications, as clearly as possible. And here's our result. Let's take a look. You can download it with or without a watermark. Repost it, share it, or delete it if needed. Honestly, I think the output is fantastic. The motion is smooth and consistent, and the model handled complex object behavior and realistic spatial interactions really well. It also maintained time coherence, meaning the sequence of events in the video flows logically from one moment to the next. Now let's run a different experiment using minimal text and focusing more on camera movements with presets. Instead of describing everything in the prompt, we'll select from built-in presets. These presets include preview clips, so you can see how the camera will behave in the final video. Super helpful for getting a professional result. In this case, we'll choose a tracking shot to follow the car, a push-in for a dramatic zoom effect, and a left circle shot for that cinematic rotation around the vehicle. Then we'll generate the video. This time we're setting it to 10 seconds at 768p using the latest Hailuo AI model. We've also enabled the Enhanced Prompt option. So the system is now optimizing the prompt before starting the generation. All we have to do is wait a few seconds. And here's the final result. Absolutely impressive. You can clearly see each camera movement, truck left, pan right, and the smooth tracking shot. The red car moves through a mountain tunnel, and the entire video just feels polished and cinematic. Now let's make a comparative analysis of Hailuo AI and Kling 2.1, based on real videos generated by both models. This will help us objectively evaluate their performance side by side, For a fair comparison, we'll use identical prompts and reference images to see how each model handles the same creative task. The first video, generated by Hailuo, shows a person jumping on platforms. The motion looks pretty natural and the scene feels just right. When we switch to Kling's version, we also see someone jumping, but there's an odd obstacle in the way, and it doesn't quite match the original intention. In the second example, Hailuo generates a skier performing a stunt. It's smooth, clear, and visually impressive. Kling's take on the same prompt, however, is interrupted mid-action and lacks that fluid execution. Now the third video from Hailuo features a biker performing stunt turns, and it looks absolutely stunning. Kling, on the other hand, shows just a regular ride without any stunts, missing the entire point of the scene. In the fourth video, Hailuo presents a beautiful clip of a female rider jumping a horse over a barrel. It's bright, sunny, and the movement is clean. In the Kling version, the horse doesn't jump at all. Instead, it just runs off, breaking the intended narrative. Moving on to the fifth video, Hailuo shows a skater gliding confidently on an asphalt road. Kling's result shows the same skater, but turning around and heading back toward the viewer, which slightly distorts the intended flow. In the sixth video, Hailuo captures the emotional intensity of an athlete successfully lifting a barbell. It's full of expression and realism. Kling's version shows the same athlete failing to lift it, which changes the message entirely. The seventh video from Hailuo shows a stunt cyclist pulling off a tricky move successfully. In Kling's version, the cyclist struggles to complete the same stunt, and it doesn't land as well. Then we have the eighth video, where Hailuo delivers a pair of jugglers performing a truly realistic routine. In Kling's version, it looks more like they're tossing around ribbons rather than juggling, which breaks the illusion. In the ninth clip, Hailuo gives us an anime-style cyclist riding a bike with the camera smoothly following her. Kling's response is awkward. The cyclist is pedaling backwards, and the camera doesn't track her correctly, which feels off. The 10th video from Hailuo is another realistic success. The camera circles smoothly around the car, giving a cinematic effect. In Kling's version, although the camera also moves around, it bizarrely includes filming equipment and other objects that shouldn't be visible in the frame. Now to the 11th video. Hailuo impresses again with a bottle surrounded by subtle visual effects. Kling keeps the bottle stationary, but moves the background instead, which makes the scene feel unnatural. The 12th video from Hailuo shows a fake diamond being cut by a knife, and the action is flawless and smooth. In Kling's output, the diamond doesn't seem to be cut in a believable way. The result lacks clarity and realism. Finally, the 13th video from Hailuo shows a terrifying monster walking through a ruined city. The close-up shots and creature design are highly realistic. Kling's attempt doesn't capture the same level of detail or movement. The monster isn't as convincing, and the camera feels jerky. So, after watching and comparing all 13 videos generated from identical prompts, it's clear that Hailuo O2 consistently delivers more realistic visuals, smoother motion, and better attention to detail. It really stands out as a more refined and capable text-to-video model. So guys, what really sets Hailuo Video O2 apart, beyond its visual quality and performance, is how cost-effective it is. Thanks to a complete architectural redesign, it now runs up to 2.5 times faster during both training and inference. This means not only quicker results, but also lower computational costs. Compared to other top-tier models like Dubao, Kling, and Veo 3, Hailuo offers the lowest per second and per video pricing in its class. So if you're looking for a powerful text-to-video generator that delivers both quality and value, Hailuo clearly stands out as the smart choice. Final thoughts. And there you have it, folks. Hailuo Video O2 in action. From stunning prompt-based video generation to advanced camera controls and side-by-side comparisons, it's clear that this model is setting a new standard for AI video tools. The results speak for themselves: consistent motion, sharp visuals, and a level of control that feels almost cinematic. Plus, with its new architecture and unbeatable cost per video, Hailuo doesn't just deliver on quality, it's built for creators who value both performance and budget. And the best part? New users get 500 free credits to start creating right away. The most exciting part is that the newly launched Max plan is the only AI video tool currently offering truly unlimited generations, a game changer for high-volume creators. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.